This garden started out as a flat lot, and what the owners wanted to do was to create some contour and different levels to give interest to the eye. So on it they have the white sage, the Brandegee sage, and the point sow type of purple sage. The point sow is a low spreading mounding kind of ground cover sage. It gets about 2 feet high and 8 feet wide and makes lavender flowers in the spring and summer. It's a great plant for hummingbirds and other types of pollinators, and then the pollinated flowers are seeds for birds and other animals. This plant, like the other two sages, also grows well in all types of soil. The white sage is a wonderful plant for height and for these upright spikes of flowers. It typically blooms in the spring and summer. The flowers are white. They're much loved by hummingbirds and other pollinators. And it is good for full or part sun, and it is adaptable to any kind of soil. The plant gets about, on average, 4 to 5 feet high and about 6 feet wide. The flower spikes can be quite tall. They can get up to about 8 feet. So they're great for adding a sense of structure in the garden. Brandegee sage is a beautiful plant to have nearby because of the dark green leaves, which contrast with the large gray-green leaves of the white sage. Brandegee sage is a sage that gets about 6 feet high and 6 feet wide. Since it comes from Santa Rosa Island, which is part of the Channel Islands group, it's going to be more susceptible to frost the farther inland it is planted. So here we are in the Moreno Valley, so it's just fine because it's not at high elevation. The point sow sage makes lavender flowers, the Brandegee sage makes light blue, and the white sage makes white flowers. So you can combine all these things for different leaf color and different flower color, and all the sages are aromatic and they do great in hot inland gardens.